In this video, we're going to replace this mass airflow sensor. It's located on the passenger side under the hood. Let's get into it. Now we're going to disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the tab, slide it out. There's two screws right here, one here and one there. You want to use a T15 socket or driver. Loosen those screws up. Take those out. And remove the mass airflow sensor. Just slides right out. Take the new mass airflow sensor, line it up, and press it in. Make sure the connector is going towards the back of the vehicle. Put the screws in. Get those both started. And snug those down. Not too tight, it is just in plastic. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.